Excuse me, excuse me.
Oh yeah, hey, what's up?
Oh, I was just wondering, are you a biker?
Oh yeah, I do ride. Yeah, I got a channel. It's Bikes, Beards, and Brews. I do motorcycle content and stuff. I'm always riding around. You should definitely check out the channel. It's kind of fun. A lot of goofy stuff, but it's definitely worth a watch. How you doing?
Oh, that's scary. Like, I could never watch your channel or like follow you or anything. Like, I don't know if you know this, but bikes are very dangerous.
Yeah, people say motorcycle riding is dangerous all the time, but it's really not. I mean, as long as you're just
like, I have some friends, well, not friends, but you know, people I heard about once or twice that, I don't know if you know this, but bikes, you can die on a bike.
What?
It is so scary. Like, I know people that know people that know people that have heard about reading a magazine about seeing something about someone dying on a bike. I just could never do that.
Well, no, I don't think that.
Well, let me tell you, the other day I was coming out of the drive-thru and I was trying to go live and I was telling all my followers about my mocha double-chino frappuccino with like double pump soy latte, almond milk, just a little twist and like a little dab of sugar and like, you know, some cinnamon sprinkles and some chocolate swirl over the top and a little bit of whipped cream because like, you know, I used to get a lot of whipped cream, but I only want a little now, so because I'm trying to watch my figure. But anyway, I was doing that and I was rolling out and apparently like I didn't see some red light or something. It was just so annoying because like I'm driving and this red light is just totally messing up my live video. Anyway, I was coming into an intersection and this bike just slammed into the side of my BMW and it was absolutely awful. Like it was so traumatic for me. Like I spilled my drink and everything and my life was ruined. And that biker like was just so rude. I like could not believe it. It was absolutely horrible.
That doesn't sound like it was the bikers.
You don't even realize, like, that biker, like, even after he came out of his coma and they took the feeding tube out, he didn't even have the decency to apologize for denting up my mom's BMW. I was grounded for a week. It was horrible.
Whoa, how do you think that's the biker's fault?
Oh, let me tell you, son, I was hauling my 18-wheeler down the road the other day, had a whole trailer full of hogs. I was trying to get over to the delivery point before I was late, and I saw a stop sign up ahead, and I was like, I ain't got time for that, yo. So I just roll on through it.
What are you even saying right now?
And, you know, there was some biker, he had the right of way and didn't have the decency to yield to this big old truck coming through. So he went ahead and slammed right into that hog trailer. Oh, it was a mess, let me tell you. It was just all over the place, and that guy was so inconsiderate. Oh, I tell you, if he was my son, I would have taken him out to the woodshed and gave him a beating.
Whoa, 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 that is definitely not the...
You have no idea how we treat that sort of thing. Try that in a small town and see what happens. Oh, they would just... I'd have the yardstick out and we'd be out there and I'd be whooping them. But no, he's sitting there like, I'm a biker. I got my right of way and I'm going to take it like a rude son, bitch. Anyway, I think he learned his lesson. I think they had to pull his head right out of a pig's ass. It was crazy. It was just a total mess. Them hogs be running all over the place afterwards, and like that bike, there's no saving that bike. Even if they could put it back together, it was covered in so much pig shit. I'd say he learned his lesson. I tell you, man, those bikers, they are the worst. They are so so rude. I cannot believe the way they act around here.
Well, that sounds more like a
You poor girl, I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
I'm sorry, are you guys even listening to yourselves right now? You sound insane.
Yeah, bro, I know what you're talking about, bro. Yeah, like the other day, I was doing like 90 down 93, bro, and like I'm talking to my bro on my phone, bro, and like he's like, yo, bro, I smashed this like 10, bro, last night. It was so awesome, bro. You gotta check it out, bro. Why is this line not moving? And I'm like, hell yeah, bro, send me some pictures, bro. And he sends me the pictures, and I'm like, bro, you didn't smash a 10, bro. You smashed a bro. I can seriously see the Adam's apple on that, bro. I just want a Dunkachino, and I want to get out of here. Bro, seriously, like, you didn't smash no 10, bro. And he's like, bro, I don't know what you're talking about, bro. That was totally a 10, bro. And I'm like, bro, you can see the Adam's apple. I'm like, bro, that bro's got a 5 o'clock shadow. What are you doing, bro?
This sucks.
Anyway, like, I'm trying to change lanes, bro, and like in the next lane, like in my blind spot, whatever that is, never heard of it, bro. But yeah, I'm like turning and like, I'm trying to check out this bro, and I'm like, bro, that's a bro. And all of a sudden, like, I hit a bike, bro, because he's in my blind spot, bro. Like, seriously, bro, you don't want to get hit by a car, bro. Don't be in my blind spot, bro. It's not your blind spot, it's my blind spot, bro.
Wait, what the?
Like, I own that blind spot, bro. But anyway, yeah, so like, he totally like dinged up my car, bro. It wasn't cool, man. And like, you know, they were like scraping him off the highway for like a week after that, bro. So I think that bro learned his lesson. Yeah, stupid bikers, bro.
No, for real. Are any of you actually listening to the words coming out of your mouths? You sound like morons.
Like, seriously. But anyway, do you want to see the picture, bro? I think I got it here. Like, I need some other opinions, bro, because definitely this bro is a bro.
All right, look, enough of all of this crazy shit. Seriously, none of this is the biker's fault. You're an asshole. Like, how about you stop at a stop sign before going through it, you dink? Yeah, he had the right of way. You don't roll through it and expect him to figure it out for you. Go back to driving school. You suck. You are an absolute loser. God, I hate you. If I ever saw you on the street, I'd choke you out. And you going like, look at my coffee. You're a moron. No one likes you. Everyone hates you. Stop trying to get on the internet and trying to feel validated for all your dumb shit because you're such a talentless hack. You got to sit there and go, oh, look, I put on a bunch of makeup this morning. So, you know, guys will like try and want to bang me online and I got a coffee. Check out my OnlyFans. You're a loser. I hate you. You are the absolute dregs of society. You should just get off the planet. And you stupid frat boy crackhead, like, what are you even saying? Nobody understands like what language you were speaking right now. You're an absolute moron. God, I hate you guys so much. And the worst part is there are so many more like you. And that is the biggest problem with what is going on the roads today. And you are the danger. You are the reason why bikers are dying. Not because of the biker, you bunch of jagoffs. Seriously, I hate all of you. None of you should be alive. Just seriously, get off the planet. You know what? I don't even want my Dunkachino anymore. Screw this. I am out of here.
Wow,
Bikers
are assholes.
Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed that one. Yeah, I gotta tell you, it's crazy some of the stuff I hear. First off, like, why does everybody have a story about this guy they know that died on a bike? I can sit there and tell you 100 stories of people I know that died in every freaking vehicle on earth. And 9 times out of 10, the people who are telling you these stories are awful drivers. So this is actually some of the stuff that I have literally seen happen on the road, and just trying to picture what's going through these people's heads. Having a giant truck just roll through a stop sign and like kind of run you into the ground, that actually happened to me. That was my accident. Well, the accident I was involved in, and the accident of me assuming that I had the right of way on a right of way. But anyway, yeah, let me know some of the dumb stuff you've heard from people when they tell you how dangerous bikes are in the comments below. And don't forget to like,
comment, subscribe, hit that bell notification, share this video with friends, share it with family, share it with that dumb snatch you know who's in the Dunkin' Donuts line trying to go live and talking about how awesome her coffee is. She loves this stuff, trust me. I'll see you all on the flip side.